Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Hunter.io to automate email finding with AI validation. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To set up Hunter.io for automating email finding with AI validation, start by visiting the Hunter.io website. Click on the sign up button if you're a new user. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Email Finder feature on the left-hand menu. In the Email Finder section, enter the name of the person and their company domain. Click the Find Email Address button. Hunter.io will search for associated email addresses and display the results. To validate these emails, go to the Email Verifier section on the left-hand menu. Enter the email address for validation and click Verify. Hunter will analyze the email address and provide a validation status. For automation, access the API section in the menu. Here, you will find your API key, copy it for future use. Next, integrate the API with your preferred automation tools. You can use platforms like Zapier or Integromat for seamless automation. Set up the automation rules according to your requirements. You can schedule email searches or triggers based on specific actions. After finishing the setup, test your automation to ensure everything works smoothly. Monitor your dashboard for any discrepancies or issues. By following these steps, you will successfully automate email finding with AI validation using Hunter.io. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.